So we finally cast the net, we got them on our site, and let's go through what the shopping experience looks like across the industry. So I've put in my vehicle, I want to request a quote and get some pricing, and then I see this. And we see this all over the place. And I was in a room in Florida with a bunch of dealers, and I said, look, we've got to get the pricing up online. And man, half the room I thought were going to come at me. It was like they had some highly confidential information that I wanted to share on the internet, and they were angry. But that was 10 years ago, and here it's 2022, and we still see a lot of this. And if you can imagine going to Amazon and looking for something you want to shop for and having to do this, like, you're bouncing. They're not as successful doing it this way. And we've left the door open for too many people to come in and capture that share, capture that client, because we're making it too difficult to shop. Here's another example. We've got the tire price. It's great. Now look at the images. It's not the best, I don't think, in terms of other industries and how they present products, but this is our industry and this is a better job. I get the price. I can see here what the labor is, what the inclusions are, other add-ons. Like, this is good. There's also triggers for me to print, email, or schedule an installation. Maybe a click to call, maybe a buy now button. We can talk about analytics that we see there in conversions, but this for the industry is where the bar's set, just about.